everybody. Here we go.
That's the back of the line. I don't mean to interrupt your conversation, Alley Cat. Hello. Well, hello.
How are you all been?
Very good. How are you been, Alice?
Quite well. It's been a while since I've seen you.
It's
good to see you.
Yes, we have.
So what all have you been up to?
Well,
First adventure.
yes, adventure.
First adventure.
A very big
Up
adventure.
today?
Because I was doing it.
Oh, goodness.
Because we were late
We
for a very important
We
gate.
were on a boat for a very long time.
It's the boat.
Yes.
What boat?
A very boat.
A lot like the Mr. Dodo.
Or like the Baco. You know.
Would you all like to come
You
sit
travel
in
by
the
bottle.
Oh, there you are. I missed you.
You missed me? Normally I'm the one missing you.
I know. Why aren't you
I don't know about
crying
you,
it
but
today?
For your affection.
Last time you were crying and crying and
I'm sorry.
weeping.
I'm sorry.
Today
It
you
was
have a closet.
And then when she saw more pancakes, she sucked her tear back up.
Do you like pancakes?
Yes.
Pancakes.
Okay, we'll make you some. We'll make some. Blueberry or chocolate chip? Chocolate chip. With strawberries and whipped cream and lots and lots and lots of syrup.
So much syrup.
And the finest of blueberry muffins. And fruits. Bountiful feast.
You said bountiful. You said bountiful. I know. I like the bounty. Snacking Arch has been vacated. Perfect. This is
Vacated?
ours.
More snack arch.
We keep this ours. It's our Arch. So you're not missing me so
They're on
badly today.
We have to barbecue them.
I hugged you.
I know, I get it.
But it's a good
Some days are better than others.
Everything's better when it's crispy.
Nothing really goes wrong.
Crispy. Crispy pancakes?
Bacon.
Oh, would you prefer waffles then? Waffles with bacon.
No. She wants pancakes. Make no mistake.
No, mistake. Pancakes
Do not get.
Now say bye. Let's sing the song that goes. Drizelli and Drizelli and day and Drizelli.
I know all
And
songs.
that's a Parmesan cheese on top of it. You're hoping for a turtle, and the one is riding in the crepe myrtle that is always in the shrubbery. Don't
Your turn. I always miss
Can you sign something for me?
Of course.
Uh-oh.
Where we
Want to
going?
sign there?
Whoa.
What? Is there treasure here?
And there's a kiss.
Well, that's nice. The grown-up that made this knew that you liked me so much that they put a kiss on it for you. Here you go.
What?
Actually, it's for him.
That's for you.
His birthday was last week. He grew up a little bit, but I'm telling him not to grow up.
Okay,
This
well
is
that's
actually-
alright.
Stole my
5, I promise.
Okay.
5.
That's for you.
5. And the contents in it as well?
Yes.
Alright.
You got to witness a birthday gift. You got to witness a gift.
Oh, he didn't know about it?
He didn't know about it.
Nope.
Oh, surprise!
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 I like surprise. Surprise. You have lots of treasure back.
I do.
Who's? Are you in the picture?
Okay.
We're all in the.
Okay, so
Am I taking a picture of all you guys together?
nobody's angry in Neverland except Captain Hook.
Like Captain Hook.
He chose to be a grown-up, so he shouldn't be angry. Well, thanks for visiting.
Still posting.
Are we done? Are we done? Are we done?
I don't know if we're done. Are you done?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, thanks for visiting.
Okay.
I'm charging now.
You charge it more?
Oh my goodness!
That's why I said I'm like.
In
look,
case we didn't get it once,
Yeah.
we got it again.
And then when you see Wendy and
We're up
stuff
twice
and
the most.
Tinkerbell, we get them to sign it
We
too.
got it. We're up twice as much.
That's the best. I was gonna ask ask you, like, how you do,
So-
like, how you do that. That's so awesome.
So, okay, here we go.
How do I?
One.
With your gloves on.
They're
That's
all,
right.
all rolled up so nicely. 2.
Goodness. That's cute.
We will visit 5 different.
We were listening to that crying this morning. Oh my god.
My makeup. Okay, so my makeup good.
Yes.
Okay.
Look at this. Get a shot of this.
We were listening to this crying. Sorry. I missed that so much. So much.
4.
I love this shirt. I love it.
Wait, what is it?
Second star to the right.
Second star to the right.
Straight until morning.
Oh look, it's Steamboat Willie.
And 5.
I need to borrow that.
It's the pack. So now you have
You're
happy.
not like excited or anything.
You see the keychain? Look at the keychain.
It looks just like my logo and everything.
The
It
keychain.
looks just like my logo and everything.
I love that part.
Careful, I might give it to Peter later.
Oh my gosh, that's the first thing I saw. I was like dying.
No.
Is it your first time here?
Of course
I
not.
was gonna say, welcome back.
Hello.
Look
It
at those
is nice
ears.
to meet you.
What do you think? Nice to meet you too. Do you keep your pixie dust in there? Is it pink? No, I'm not a lifelong.
Pink
girly
pixie
designer.
dust.
I want to find pink pixie dust.
Pink pixie dust.
You could.
Pink pixie dust?
Do you have a
Opposed to
tree?
blue pixie dust?
Dark pink pixie dust. She needs to talk to Serena.
A lot of pixie dust.
A lot?
Okay. I mean, I only get 2. A daily scoop? Maybe 2. Would that be too much pixie dust?
1 scoop a day, no more, no less.
It looks like you got a daily scoop. I did get a daily scoop.
Oh my
no,
goodness.
just one. Do you like my pixie dust?
I do. I love it.
I got my own daily scoop. You do? Did you put it on with a dandelion fluff? Nope. That's how I put mine on, just like my
Scoops
pink
it up.
shoes. I see you have a flower in your hair. Oh, it's a red. Oh, wait, look.
I have a flower.
What do you do? Did you water it today?
No, not yet.
Oh, well, they need plenty of water and sunshine. Are you
Get in the
garden
sunshine,
talent?
yes. No, I think I'm a tinker.
How do you know?
Because I sew.
Two tinkers?
Yes.
Where are all the garden talents? I'm a garden talent.
Mama.
Okay, this is the garden talent. She'll be in line for every character. She'll just start digging in the dirt.
Oh, I don't do much.
I know.
Not mud, dirt.
Oh, just dirt. Well, if it's not wet, I guess
Do we paint stuff too?
Posies?
It's like at a mud fair.
Well, I painted these flowers.
You know how this is? It's like that nice, cool earth feel. I know exactly what you mean, especially in the morning when all the dewdrops are everywhere. Silver Miss puts those there. She's so good at holding those. Have you ever tried to hold one before?
No.
Yes, I.
Yeah, think so.
Yeah. Not to be.
Tea this morning?
Well, of course I did always.
Yeah.
I ate corn too, but honey, some milkweed with
Oh, that's
pumpkin
right.
muffins.
Yeah.
And it's my crayon.
No, Perry's over there. Perry's train is over there.
That's not her crayon. It's my crayon. It's Perry's crayon. No, she didn't. She didn't find it. It was given to me. Just because I let her use it doesn't mean it's hers. Yes.
Well, you've got to
Use
give
your
it
words.
to sir.
You could use your words.
Can you sign my bag, please?
Yes, certainly. There you go. Use your words and then you want to sign it. Got it. I'm so glad you did not have the Wendy sign it.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Messed it all up.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
It would have been blue and not green, and then, you know.
She would have screwed it up. You've seen her handwriting? It's
It
horrible.
was a good thing she was playing hide and seek with Lost Boys.
Yes. Good. I hope they don't find her.
Tinkerbell.
Stays
Tinkerbell.
With lots of pixie dust.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Always.
Wow. That's a lot.
I know.
That's a lot.
That's a double scoop.
Yeah.
Never a double scoop.
Well, then it looked like she got a double scoop.
Always get double.
She was extra.
No, we went to the Dust Depot together. We both got one scoop. She's just better at me.
She
at
said she got a
making it
double.
happen.
Oh, a pirate's life is a wonderful life, and all in over the sea. Give me a career as a buccaneer. Oh, a life of a pirate for me. Oh, a life of a pirate.
That's because we have 6 in our party right now.
Hurry up, boy. Come on now.
Even hijack. Hijack.
Good night, Jeff.
Last time.
That's hard.
Right. Concentrate, everybody. Are you ready now? 1, 2, 3.
Dreams come true.
Happily ever after. Gosh, that was some dream. You know, Donald, that sure was pretty. But if I had a dream come true, my dream would be full of fun and adventure.
Did someone say adventure? I say, Captain, do you hear something? Did it be your old friend, the crocodile?
Crocodile? Well, I don't see you.
Is he over there?
Well, Speed!
Over there?
Speed!
Or right behind you?
There are journeys that await you and your
Seize the moment. Let your fantasies and dreams set sail. Any dream is possible. Wishes to come true.
Well, I'm kind of Anna. I mean,
I was Neil when I did it. Whoa, it's everywhere. I need extra video lighting. Did someone say adventure? Wait, they said 3 can fit in one?
hey, all 3 of us could fit. Do you want to squeeze? External video lighting.
That was probably really attractive.
I'll get it later. Or now, but it's fine.
Did you film it?
I did.
Oh god.
I had to film it for the lights come
One, two, three.
What? Huh? No, it's a belt. I mean, for Anna, from Brazil.
The other princess?
The one that goes past the ice tower.
Alright, pilots, prepare for liftoff in 3, 2, 1.
So this is pretty much it right now, and you're on this much of an angle right here. Woo! Ah! Ah! See, I am this like this right now. Woo! Oh my goodness! Ah, it is that much on an angle. Whoa! Oh, you gotta try it. You gotta try it out. Woo! Ow! Whoa! I cannot control myself right now. Oh my goodness.
The Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until the rocket ship stops and follow the arrows to the
Buoyant! Yeah! Oh my goodness.
Please stop, exit out to your left, and follow the white lights back to the gate train. Thank you.
Whoa!
You might be able to run it by yourself though. What are you doing? Are you filming? That's what I'm talking about. I should have asked that.
Time. I took it out at the most boring part.